Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's wealth step-by-step review video, I'd like to share with you some proof of commissions that have recently come in. But more importantly, in this video, I want to show you how you can join the fastest growing team in wealth step by step. And the reason that's important is we're going to give you paying members placed under you that you're going to earn commissions from. And paying members placed under you can earn you monthly recurring commissions with our team Rotator. So you can get into profit fast, and you can also earn a growing monthly recurring income and also multiple income streams just by promoting one link. And a bit later on in the video, I'm going to share with you all the free resources and the free training that our team gives you. So you've got everything you need here, everything you need to succeed and earn a growing monthly online income with step by step. So I'm going to log into my account and show you the proof. So you'll see here I'm on my account. That's me there, Barry Cross. I'm going to go into login and remember login here. What you'll see here when I go into my genealogy, we'll go into more, new genealogy. You'll see there's 10 levels within step by step. And on the first level, there's 3 members go into this matrix. And these first 3 members you don't get paid on. And I was given these 3 members through our team Rotator and spillover. So the great thing about this compensation plan and joining the fastest growing team is that we give you team members. And on the second level, you'll see here this customer, it's flashing here. You get a $10 fast start bonus, and that's what this commission is here. And then as long as this person here, this customer here, this member, as long as Robert stays a member, then I will earn a $4 monthly recurring commission. And I'm going to go through a bit more information now on how these other levels work. So I'm going to hand you over to Frank, who explains this in a bit more detail, and some important information here on how powerful the team Rotator is, and on how powerful this is to get into profit fast, earn multiple income streams, and also earn a growing monthly recurring commission. So I'll hand you over to Frank. Short video here that explains how the system works, and I'll come back to you at the end with some more important information.
Hi, this is Frank Lefebvre, founder of On Fire to Retire, and you've landed on our Wealth Step-by-Step Rotator page. Now, Richard Daigle and I have teamed up to help you build your Wealth Step-by-Step downline, and we're using a team rotator. So once you take action on this page, you're going to go to our rotator page. Now, here's a live look at my back office right now. Today is August 19th, Friday, and we're starting this today. And if you haven't looked at this, there's nothing like this. This is amazing. And we're working on phase 1, which is a 3x4 matrix. So the step-by-step, phase 1 is a 3x4, phase 2 is a 3x5, and they each pay $4 a person. So this first one here, when that's filled, you will earn $468 per month in phase 1. And then when you enter phase 2, $20 will come out of your commissions. You will never pay more than $15 a month. Phase 2, you'll get paid on 5 levels, $4 per person, which is a total of $1,440 a month. Then when you're secure in that, phase 3 is a full-blown 3x10, which has an earning potential of, and I hate to even say this, $442,845 per month residual income. Now, if you only did 10% of that, 10% success rate, that's $44,000 a month. With a 5% success rate, that's 95% failure. You're going to make $22,000 a month. Now, we all know that it's not a perfect world and it's not going to feel perfectly, but just to get a piece of the action, a piece of the pie, 1%, a 99% failure rate, which I think is the average for the network marketer, is still $4,400 a month. And that's incredible. And, this rarely, if not ever, happens where you can actually totally fill a matrix, but we're doing it. This is my live back office. This is exactly where we're at right now. My level 1 is full. Level 2 is full. Level 3 is full, and we're filling up level 4. Okay, and you can see that we are, for real, having spillover and putting people under you. So you want to get in this. The early bird catches the worm, so you want to be early. So fill out the form on this page, and you sign up on anybody on this rotator. And once you join one of our members, you click on this link, and it'll take you to here. Okay, and you put your name and email in here, and then it'll ask you to send your referral link, and then you'll be placed in one of these spots here. So there's nothing out there. There's no qualifications. And $15, this was designed for the little guy who is taken advantage of by the gurus. There's no gurus here. It's a level playing field. But you have to be patient. Pay your $15 a month and be patient and wait. Because a seed takes time to grow. You might not see anything for a while. Because what some people don't realize, when you join, okay, you see this. But it started with just me, you know what I mean? I had nobody. So when you start, you have your own matrix. So you're not going to see anybody in it. But I'm giving you a bird's eye view so that you can see what's going on around you. And when your turn comes, it's going to happen for you. Now, if you promote as well, you're going to make it happen faster, because you also get with this, on top of the $4 per person, no matter who put them in, you get a fast start bonus. So I've earned $370 plus. So you can do the math. 9 plus 27 plus 29 times $4 is what I'm going to make next month on this, plus the fast start. So this is a significant income and a low cost, $15 a month. So take action on this page. Join Wealth step by step under one of our early bird team members. Submit your name and email to have your place in the rotator and get in on the action. See you on the inside.
So thank you very much to Frank there for explaining the potential and the power of joining our team, the team rotator, and also the spillover aspect of the compensation plan. And these are the free resources that we're going to give you. There'll be a link in the description where you can join our team. And these are free banners. So banner advertising works. This is a complete done-for-you system. So we use Leads Leap, which is free to join. You get a free lifetime membership. And all these capture pages here are all done for you. So you'll see here it's called a share code. And all you do when you join Leads Leap is you just copy and paste this code into the back office of Leads Leap in your members area, and then it brings up these lead capture pages for you, and then you just get your own link to promote. You start to generate your own leads. So giving you all the 6 capture pages there to choose from. We'll give you all the email follow-ups. So you'll see here, there's a code here. So you don't have to write any subject lines. You don't have to write any emails. All you do is just copy and paste. Very, very simple, very, very beginner friendly. Teach you how to do it in our training site. and completely done for you funnel. And Leads Leap is free to join. So when you join our team, we give you a link to join Leads Leap for free. And then you can set up your own lead capture pages, email follow-ups, etc. Everything's done for you. You don't have to create anything. And as a thank you for watching this video all the way through today, I'm also going to give you a 7-figure earner blueprint training. And you can use this training. It'll teach you how to promote wealth step by step. And it's by a gentleman called Jeff Amon. So he's in the bottom left-hand corner here. I've been working with Jeff now for just over a year. He's one of my mentors. And it's a series of video tutorials that will teach you how to promote wealth step by step, or any other affiliate offer that you're promoting online. It's a training and a blueprint system that Jeff used to quit his job 6 years ago, and it still works today. He still uses it today. So I'll put a link in the description that will take you to a training page. There's no opt-in. It'll take you to a training page exactly the same as this, and then you can follow Jeff's training and you can use it to promote either wealth step by step or any other offer you're promoting. So it's great for beginners. So it's really helpful if you're brand new and you haven't made your first dollar online. Come and join us in wealth step by step, and then follow this blueprint training, and that will help you succeed. And if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like, a big blue thumbs up like. That will help support my YouTube channel, and with the algorithm it will help other people see this video as well. So I'd really appreciate that. And please click subscribe and click the bell icon if you'd like to see some more videos from me. So I've currently got 750 videos on the channel, and I'm doing several new videos every single week. And if you've got any questions at all about wealth step by step, then please leave those in the comments below. And there'll also be a link in the description where you can get started today, and there's some more information on that homepage. And I'll also put my email address in the description if you want to contact me via email. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.